Welcome to PharmaconHealth Presents. In today's video, we'll explore the powerful immune-boosting benefits of Echinacea. The power of Echinacea: boost your immunity naturally. What is Echinacea? Echinacea is a flowering herb native to North America. It belongs to the daisy family and has been used for centuries for its medicinal properties. The most commonly used species are Echinacea purpurea, Echinacea angustifolia, and Echinacea pallida. Native Americans used Echinacea to treat various ailments like infections, wounds, and snake bites. Today it is one of the most popular herbs in modern herbal medicine. Echinacea is widely known for its immune-boosting properties and its ability to support the body's natural defense system. Traditional uses of Echinacea: historically, Echinacea has been used to treat infections and reduce inflammation. Native Americans used it for wounds, snake bites, and other ailments, relying on its powerful healing properties. In modern herbal medicine, it's primarily used to boost immune function and treat respiratory infections like the common cold and flu. It has also been used as a general tonic to improve overall health and vitality. Bioactive molecules in Echinacea. Echinacea contains a variety of bioactive compounds, such as polysaccharides, alkamides, and citric acid. These compounds help activate the immune system, reduce inflammation, and promote overall health. Polysaccharides are particularly important in boosting the body's immune response, while alkamides and citric acid are known for their anti-inflammatory properties. Flavonoids in Echinacea help combat oxidative stress, which is a contributing factor in many chronic diseases. Echinacea in clinical research. Clinical research has shown that Echinacea can help reduce the duration and severity of colds. A study conducted by the University of Wisconsin found that people who took Echinacea had fewer colds and recovered faster than those who took a placebo. Echinacea also increases natural killer cell activity, which enhances the body's defense against infections. Studies suggest that Echinacea may also help reduce the risk of developing infections after surgery or during times of high stress. Dosage and usage. To support your immune system, you can take 2 to 4 milliliters of Echinacea tincture 2 to 3 times per day. Echinacea capsules, containing 300 to 500 milligrams, can be taken 3 times daily. For acute symptoms, like a cold or flu, the tincture can be taken every 2 to 3 hours until symptoms improve. Always follow the recommended dosage based on your needs and consult with a healthcare professional for personalized guidance. Safety and precautions. Echinacea is generally considered safe for most people, but it can cause allergic reactions in those who are sensitive to plants in the daisy family. It can also stimulate the immune system, so people with autoimmune conditions should avoid it or use it with caution. Pregnant or breastfeeding women should consult their healthcare provider before using Echinacea. If you are on immunosuppressive medication, it's important to speak with your doctor or pharmacist before using Echinacea. In conclusion, Echinacea is a powerful herb with numerous health benefits, especially for supporting your immune system. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more natural health tips. Stay tuned for more videos from PharmaconHealth, and remember, natural remedies can play a significant role in maintaining a healthy lifestyle.